Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel Singamit Official. Today we have to discuss about class 11 chemistry. So guys, in previous section of video we have to discuss about the formation and the topic concept of isomerism. That means our chapter is general organic chemistry, and we have to discuss about the concept of isomerism. In terms of the classification, in previous section of video we have to discuss about the concept of positional isomerism. That means the concept of isomerism is very simple thing. That means in terms of this formation we have to discuss that the compound having similar molecular formula but they possess a different structure in it. That means these all are known as isomers to each other. In this section of video we have to discuss about the another one classification of isomerism, that is our functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. What is the meaning of functional isomerism? That means the compound having similar molecular formula but they possess a different structure with containing the different functional group scenario, and this is the complete concept of functional isomerism. That means according to the concept of functional isomerism, the two or more compound having similar not a general condition, this is a term of homologous series, similar molecular formula but they possess a different structure containing different functional group with respect to their individual position. That is called functional isomerism. As the previous concept of video, just like the another one formation here, that means the concept is obtaining from the terms of functional group. First of all we have to see the definition of this. That means according to the concept of functional isomerism, the two or more compound having similar molecular formula. That means the compound having similar molecular formula but they possess a different structure containing different functional group. That means the functional group of each and every compound get different. That means the formation of the functional group gets changed but their molecular formula is similar at their individual positions also. That means the position of functional group is also gets changed during the formations of compound, and this concept is known as the functional isomerism concept. So guys, in terms of the formation, we have to take the one of the example here. How can you write the concept? That means In terms of the concept, there is a formation like the individual one terms. First of all, you have to learn about that the concept of another one example. We have to take the example here. Example. In terms of example, guys, we have to form the concept. First of all, you have to write the definition of it. Okay, I think you have to write the definition for this. Now we have to take the example, that is this concept of functional isomerism consists of the two functional group that is alcohol and ether. Condition is ROH is here, and the another one condition is ROR is here, and both condition in the terms of formation, they possess a similar general formula for this functional group. That means the similar general formula for this functional group concept is CnH2nO. CnH2nO, guys. Just know the concept. In terms of the example way, we have to prepare the first compound formation, that is C2H6O here. CnH2nO here formation, C2H6O. That means we have to forming the first compound here, that is C2H5OH. This is the concept of ethanol. Another one concept is here, that is the formation of ether. ROR concept, CH3OCH3. This is dimethyl ether. Just count the every one formation. This contains C2H5 or 16H6 and 1O. Ethanol is this. C2 is here. Hydrogen 3 and 3, 6 is here, and 1 oxygen is that. That means the concept of our functional group isomeres, they all are the functional isomers to each other. This complete phenomenon is known as functional isomerism, guys. That means according to the concept of this view, we can write also the definition of it. We can write the complete synopsis for this. We have write the complete concept for this, and we have also solved the one of the example. Note to be that in this concept, not every functional group possesses a functional isomers to each other. Write the note here. Not every functional group follow the concept of functional isomerism to each other guys. That means every functional group didn't follow the rule of the functional isomerism. Only some functional groups possess the concept of functional isomerism because their general formula is similar. But there are many conditions for this formation. They didn't follow the concept of functional isomerism to each other. Carboxylic acid and ester. Carboxylic acid and ester also follow the concept of functional group having the formation RCOOH and RCOOR. In next section of video, we have to discuss about the concept. First of all, you have to take the screenshot of it. Okay guys, in this concept we have to also deal with the another equation question here, another one example here. We have also follow this concept. That means this concept tends to the another one composition of the forming the group of this, that is your this concept of functional isomerism consist of carboxylic acid and ester guys. That means the concept is RCOOH and another one is RCOOR is here. That means the formation of this compound, we have to prepare the compound naming in this term. That means this concept is so valuable for this. That is C3H6O2 is here. That means the similar molecular formula is C3H6 and O2. C3H6 and O2 having similar molecular formula, you have to prepare one carboxylic acid and one ester in it. That means for this formation, you have to prepare the concept like the formation of this compound. That is, you have to prepare like this. This is CH3, CH2, COOH, 3 to 5 and 1 6 hydrogen, 1 2 3 carbon and 2 oxygen is condensed in the term of the formula. This is your, what is this? This is your ethanoic acid. This is your ethanoic acid guys. Another, sorry, not a ethanoic, this is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Now you have to prepare the concept of this ester right now. That means we have to prepare the concept like this is the formation CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay. Now the concept, this is 1 2 and 3 carbon and hydrogen 3 3 6 and 2 oxygen is combined in this. That means this is the formation of COOR is here. R C O and this R. Now we have to write the concept. This is methyl. This is methyl ethanoate is this. That means we have to follow the two concepts for this. First of all is alcohol and ether, and second one is carboxylic acid and ester. That means these all the functional group possess the concept of this functional isomerism guys. So you have to take a note, you have to take a screenshot of it. From the book of NCERT you can also deal with the question of the many more of the exercise. According to the concept of isomerism, you have to deal with it, you have to practice for this. After that we have to discuss about the next session of video. Okay guys, so you have to take a note this.